Log in to the server software first. Click the registration button. Click the server button. Click the export server machine code button. Find the server machine code compression package, and send it to the service.
Send the server export file to the registered staff member's email. Notify the customer service on the shopping platform about the registration file, then download the receive import. Starting file.
This is the business return registration file. Click the server button. Click the import server machine code button. Found registration file compressed package import. Registration signal display. Registration is completed once registered.